This video is going to go over the slice tool and the slice select tool in Photoshop, and I'm just going to do them together because they are similar tools and they work kind of with each other. First, we got the slice tool, and what this does is it helps you cut your image down into multiple images for easier editing or exporting to other applications for the web. Slicing creates a HTML table, and each slice can have unique optimization and file settings. You'd use the slice panel to choose the names for slices and assign alt tags or URLs. So how you use it, it's real easy. Say I wanted to break this up into all these separate pictures. You just come to a corner, you click and drag, let go, and it creates your first slice. You click and drag, we can make another slice, and I can just make all these different images their own slice, right? Alright, now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices, okay? And like I said before, for each slice, you can set different optimization settings or file settings, but that's how you make them. The top options up here, we got the tool preset drop down. You're probably never going to make a preset of this tool. Then we got the style. This sets how the slice tool draws. Usually you'll just leave it set to normal, but you can switch it between fixed aspect ratio or fixed size. You can manually set the width and the height of a slice from here. And last, we got the slices from guides button. Now, if I were to zoom this out, right, and then you hover over the ruler at the top, you can click and drag, and it'll bring a guide. Same with the side, right? You can click and drag, and it'll bring a vertical guide. Then when you click this button, you'll see it created slices from that. So that's the slice tool. Next, we got the slice select tool. And what this does is it just selects, moves, and resizes already made slices. You're not going to be creating any new slices with this. You're just going to be editing the existing ones. So you can pick it up, you can move the slice, you can resize it, you can move all these around, do whatever you want to do with them. You can click on it to select it, and then once it's selected, you can use your top options up here. You can set the arrangement, which is bring it to the front, bring it forward one space, bring it backwards one space, and send it to back. So if I wanted to bring this slice to the top layer, I could click on that one. If I wanted to bring it to the back, click on that one. Now promote, what this does is it promotes a slice into a user slice. Then divide, so say I got this one selected, right? If I click this, you can divide it horizontally or vertically. You can set the amount, say I wanted 5. You can set the pixels per slice if you wanted to. Click OK. Now we got all these horizontal divides. After that, these are all align and distribute settings. Same as if you click this button here, you got your align and distribute spacing. After that, we got hide auto slices. So Photoshop is gonna automatically fill in all the missing space with what they're called auto slices. And last but not least, you can set the options for the current slice. This opens up the slice options dialog box. At the top here, you can either choose between no image, image, or table. It's going to be set to image probably by default. You can name it. You could specify the URL slice links. The target specifies the frame the URL is loaded into. Then you got a message text, which will appear in your browser status bar. Then you got an alt tag, which specifies the alternate text for your browser. You also got dimensions down here, and then you can set the slice background type. You got matte, white, black, or another color. If you got the slice type set to no image, then you can put the text displayed in the cell. So that's the slice tool and the slice select tool in Photoshop. If you guys got any questions, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.